Hello everyone. Let's play animal counting game. Are you ready? Let's go. Wow, look at that. Lots of animals. Now the game is that we're going to count each animal and then we're going to find out how many animals are there. Are you ready to play? Let's go. So the first animal we're going to count is giraffe. Let's count. 1, 2. 2 giraffes. So we found 2 giraffes. Yay! Now the next animal is a crocodile. Let's find out how many crocodiles are there. So we're gonna find crocodile. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 crocodiles. Well done. We found 6 crocodiles. The next animal we're going to look at is a lion. Are you ready? Let's go and find how many lions do we have. 1. 1 lion. Let's write number 1. Well done. Now the next animal we're going to find is gorilla. Are you ready? Let's count the gorillas. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 gorillas. Well done. Let's write the number 3. The next animal we're going to look at is zebra. Are you ready? Let's count. There's a zebra over here. And we're going to look for zebras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zebras. Let's write number 5. Well done. 5 zebras. The next animal we're going to count is elephant. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. 3 elephants. Just like the gorillas. We have 3 elephants and 3 gorillas. Now we've got the panda and the tiger left. Let's count the pandas. Are you ready? 1, 2. 2 pandas. Let's write the number 2. Now our last animal is tiger. Let's count the tigers. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tigers. Let's write the number 4. Well done everyone. Now let's go back to see how many animals we found. So we found 2 giraffes, 6 crocodiles, 1 lion, 3 gorillas, 5 zebras, 3 elephants, 2 pandas, and 4 tigers. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done. Now, well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Good counting. Well done. Now, bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.